Hello, PreAlgebra. Welcome to another week. I really appreciate your survey feedback from last week. I plan on incorporating as much of it as I can and learn as much as I can from you guys to be able to make this class work better for you. Now, with that being said, last week I noticed that there were quite a few people who had some questions, who had some struggles on that distribution. So we're working on distribution for another week. There are some questions that are a little bit of an extension, and so really pay attention to the video instruction. Make sure you ask lots of questions. I'll be glad to help you with that and provide any assistance that I can. And so don't hesitate to take advantage of the discussion at the end of the week and to take advantage of that help extra credit Q&A. I do want to point out that in order to get the credit for the Q&A, you do need to post either a question or an answer about the content and topic that we're learning this week. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys work, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys over Google Meet later this week. Regular synchronous session happening on Thursday. And ladies and gentlemen, hope you have a wonderful week. Take care.